How to get around the FTB NetBlazor series interface. For this task, you'll need an FTB1 platform, any NetBlazor series product. In this case, we're using an FTB 860. When you power up the FTB1, the Mini Toolbox interface will be displayed. At the top of the screen are three sub-tabs. From the Modules tab, you can launch your NetBlazor series module. The Utilities tab allows you to launch any one of the 14 utilities that are currently installed. And the Test Tools tab contains 8 diverse tools that are launched and run directly off the FTB1 platform. When the NetBlazor series module is launched, a pop-up window will appear, asking you if you want to restore the default factory settings. Press No on the prompt. The question is there because even though the module has been rebooted, it has persistent memory, and anything that was set before the shutdown will remain intact, even after being rebooted. Once the module is running, there are 3 important zones. 1. The main zone, in the center of the screen, is where you will actually be choosing the type of test you want to run, entering the configuration values, or seeing results while the tests are running. 2. From the section on the right, you can choose to set up a test, start it, or see the results. This section is set in stone and will not change. 3. While you're either setting up a test or running one, there are tabs at the top and bottom of the page. Use these to access in-depth setup zones or specific results. Thank you for watching.